Hello and welcome to Octane. We have updated our system to create a better, faster, and smoother experience for our broker partners. We provide you the control you want with the speed you need. This video will demonstrate how to take your 3.2 file to sending disclosures directly to your borrower in less than 3 minutes. Let's get started. Once you log into Octane, you will click on Add Loan, fill out the required fields, and either choose a file from your computer or drag and drop your 3.2 file and click Add Loan. Once you do so, a new window will appear that'll take you directly to your loan. Click on Go to Loan in order to navigate to your new loan. Once you are here, you're going to see on the left-hand side that we have screens that are the same, but workflow has been updated to provide you directly to disclosure preparation. Now we need to complete 2 tasks and finish up 17 critical checks. What I like to do is take a snippet so that I can quickly navigate back and forth without going to workflow. The first 2 steps remain the same, to where you go into your borrowers, you authorize the credit report, and then you reissue credit. How to do so is go into the credit screen, reissue credit, request new report, click on your borrower and options, and then click reissue and enter your credit report ID number. For this example, I'm going to pull a new report. Octane will update with the liabilities, and your credit score will be seen across the loan ribbon. At any time, you can go and see past credit reports. Now that I have the credit pulled in, I'm going to go to Terms, and I'm going to select our loan program. Again, following the critical checks that are on the workflow. Go to Get Rates, make sure that your criteria is set up correctly, find rates. Octane will now populate all rates according to the criteria that you've selected. This takes just a couple of seconds for pricing to come back, and it is live Monday through Saturday from about 10 a.m. until midnight. So now you'll navigate to where the rate is that you discussed with your borrower and choose Selected. You will now see along the top of the loan ribbon, the program and rate will update as well as your DTI. Once you have this, you can start working through other criticals. I like to go one screen at a time. So I'm going to go to the borrower screen, click into Alice First Timer, and complete all the critical checks from the workflow. And then click Save. I will just keep going through the tabs to complete the critical checks. Once I have done so, you can always check your progress by going back to workflow and seeing now that I am down to 6 critical checks. I will take a new snippet so I know where I'm at. The nice thing about Octane is it's integrated with Google. So if you type in the employer name, you can then search Google for the property address, the phone number, click Save. Now I want to continue completing the critical checks so that I can get these disclosures out to my borrower. Here we will need the next payment date, as well as your annual premium. You'll see here that the monthly payment is updated, as well as the cash from borrower. The last step I have is to go to Assets, Funds for Closing, and make sure I have no deficiencies down here. What this does is it informs us where those funds are coming from so that we can source them. Now if I go back to workflow, I only have 1 critical left. I can quickly solve that one. And now one of the tasks is to review and confirm broker fees in the charges and credit screen. I navigate over to charges and credit. I see that my broker compensation is correct, as well as the credit for the interest rate I've selected. I can now go back to workflow. I can complete this task. I know I've pulled in my credit report, so I can complete this task. Now I can complete this step and send disclosures directly to my borrower. Once I complete this step, I will want to go to the borrower screen, click into my borrower, and provide them with a loan key that you'll see here. Once you send them that, they will be able to access their disclosures. Please let us know if you have any questions, and I hope you have an excellent day.